Hello dear everyone, welcome to Samirazi fashion channel. Thanks for always watching. Today's video is how to make round neck kissy pleats with a puff sleeve. Thank you my old subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you out there. And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome to this amazing channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Samirazi fashion channel. Comment, like and share my videos with your friends. If you're interested to know how to make this amazing style, you definitely want to watch this video to the end.
Welcome back. Today we are going to make a top with kissing pleats and a bob sleeve too. So this is the materials we are using to make it. This is the front side. So when making your clothes, you start with the back. So I want to fold it to the back side now so that we start our measurement for this top that we are making. Top with kissing pleats is what we are making today. So this is the fabric that we are using now. So I'm folding it for us to start with the measurements. So this is it. So let me use my tape to check the folding to see whether it will be enough for the body that we are using to cut it. So yes, this will be enough for the body measurement. So we have folded it. So we want to start with the measurement now. So we'll start with the length. The length we are using is, that is the half length, is 16, but the actual half length is 15. So you will add to your measurement so that you will not short it, so that you will return back to your normal measurement, which is that 15. So I'm marking 16. So this is it. 16 is what I'm marking, but the actual measurement is 15 for the half length. So that is it. I hope the chalk is showing for you to see it well. So let's start with the measurement fully. So we start with the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement, when doing it, is by 2, divided by 2. That's what I mean. So we are dividing our shoulder, because our shoulder is 14, and 14 in tape rule when dividing it is 7. So what I'm making it 16, which is 8 on the tape rule. So you mark. So I've marked the shoulder, that is 18, and tape rule is 8, because 8 into 2 is 16 on tape rule. So now you mark again from the shoulder to get your armhole. So I'm marking armhole 7. So on that armhole line is where you now get your bust measurement. So this bust measurement that we are having on this measurement is 32. So when doing your body measurement, you divide it by 4. So divide your 32 by 4 in tape rule. What will it give you there? It will give you 8 on your tape rule. So 32 is 8 when dividing it by 4 on tape rule. So that is it. So remember to add your allowance for your body measurement. So I'm marking 2 there. So I'm adding 2 for the allowance. So that is the 2 that you can see there. So you come to the waist measurement that you got your half length. So that's where you get your waist measurement. So your waist measurement on this body part that we are doing is 26. So you divide your 26 by 4 on your tape rule. What will it give you? It will give you 6.5. That is 26 on your tape rule. 6.5, that is 6.5. So I've chalked it 6.5. Remember to add your allowance. So I'm adding the allowance. So that is it. So I'm adding 2 again on the allowance. So we have done with the bust measurement, the waist measurement, which is on the line of your half length. That's where you get your waist measurement. So you come back to the neck side, but you're not done with the neck. So I'm chalking the neck by 3. I'm marking 3 on the neck. So that is it. So the cleavage, that is to bring it down. So it's a round neck that we are making. I don't want it to be too down. I want it to come up a little bit. So that's why I'm marking that 3. So this is it. To get your round neck, this side you curve it to get the round neck. So that is the front neck that we are doing. So I want to chalk this upper side. Why am I doing that? I want to use it to get the back side. So I'm chalking the upper side for us to get the back side if I'm cutting the back. That's why I'm doing it like this. But this actual one that you are seeing now is the front one that we will cut for the front material that we are just doing now. So let's connect from the shoulder to the armhole. So I'm connecting it from the shoulder to the armhole. This is it. So remember to slant your shoulder with 1 inch, with ½ inch. You can do that depending on how you want it. You slant, because you know our shoulder is sloped, so you do it the way it is so that it will fall to this. So that is it. So now you connect your bust to your waist measurement. So I'm connecting it now. So this is it, from the bust measurement to the waist measurement. So that is it. So I've connected it. So we are done with the body measurement, with the body instruction. So this was to cut it out. So I want to cut it out. So from the shoulder you get your half length. From the half length you get your waist measurement. From the shoulder to the bust line you get your bust measurement. So I'm cutting it out. So this is it. Remember, is a top that we have kissing pleats. So get our kissing pleats to make it the full length of our top. So the next side now. So this is what I mean when I was doing the back one now. So I'm cutting it for us to get our back line neck. And this I'm cutting it also to slant the shoulder, and I've cut it out. So this is it. So we have done with the measurement and cut it out. This is the front side. It's just for us now to fold our fabric again to get our back measurement. The back do not need any measurement again, just for us to lay the front one that we have already done, already cut, to give the zip allowance. So that is it. So this is how to get your back measurement. There's no need of doing it, doing marking again, just for you to lay the front side of it to the back and get your measurement done. So just for us to cut it out, this is the zip line that we just got for the back side of it. So I'm cutting. So let's cut. This is it. So we are making a top with kissing pleats. So to have the kissing pleats down to complete our top. So and the sleeve too is bob sleeve that we are going to have after sewing it. So this is it. We've cut it out. So you remember to open the back side because it has a zip. So I'm opening it now at the back. So this is the back of it.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Let me know in the comment section. I do appreciate it whenever you give us a comment. I like to know what you think about your thoughts about this video. We appreciate it. Also, you should get to subscribing to this channel, becoming a member of this beautiful and amazing growing community right here that we are building. It's amazing that you decided to join us as well. Thank you so much for sharing this video with your loved ones so that they get to also inspire to cut and sew on their own. Remember to leave a thumbs up. It goes a long way supporting the channel to grow Samirazi Fashion channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. Please subscribe now. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.